Hello, I'm Michelle, and today we're going to be discussing the methods you can use to form your LLC in North Dakota. We're going to be covering the steps involved in starting your LLC, the forms you're going to need, the naming requirements, and the 5 main steps needed to actually register your LLC. I'll also be explaining the importance of having a registered agent and a very key term known as piercing the corporate veil. If these terms are not familiar to you, then I highly suggest you watch this video. The businesses thriving in North Dakota are the energy business, tourism, and agriculture. North Dakota state is known for its oil reserves along with mines of coal and shale gas. The coal that can be procured from North Dakota's mine is lignite, out of which 90% is used in power generation by the state and the nearby states. North Dakota is the leading sector that is known for trading fur. Approximately 10% of the state is handling the farm area of North Dakota, which is around 90% of the state's total area. You can start your North Dakota LLC by 3 methods. Number 1 is that you can do it yourself, in which case you can fill out the forms online or you can send them off via mail. Number 2 is that you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method out there. Number 3 is that you can go ahead and hire an attorney. Now coming to a very common question but an important one. What's an LLC? An LLC is a hybrid business entity combining a corporation's characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets and gives you personal asset protection. So when you're starting off your LLC in North Dakota, you mainly have to file your certificate of formation with the state and pay the mandatory filing fee of $135. Now let's talk a bit about Zen Business. What are they offering? What are the plans? And what are you getting with them? You get 3 plans: a starter plan, a pro plan, and a premium plan. It's perhaps the only formation service company that offers 3 important features in all of its plans. Now, the starter plan has the essential services required to form your LLC. It's a very suitable plan for you if you want something very budget friendly. Now, it's starting off at $0. However, you do have to pay the mandatory state filing fees. It's cost effective and offers all essential services like a registered agent or an operating agreement draft. The Pro plan offers some essential additional services along with all the main services which are being offered in the starter plan. Also in the Pro plan, it takes you lesser time to form your LLC. So what are you getting in this plan? You're getting an advertising consultant, you're getting annual compliance and expedited filing process. Now the Premium plan is the last plan and by far the costliest one yet. Premium plan offers almost all the services related to the formation of an LLC, in addition to the services which are mentioned in the first 2 plans, which was the starter one and the pro plan. It offers you a faster filing process, a business website, domain, and your very own email address. So in this video, we're going to be discussing options number 1 and number 2. But we're going to place emphasis on why you need a professional service to do it for you, because you have to make sure you're doing your LLC work correctly, because this is one of those things where you can't afford missing key information or have any form of misunderstandings. ZenBusiness is a very competent professional service which you can get, because forming your LLC is not just filing the certificate of formation, but it's also deciding on a name, hiring a registered agent, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. Now, all of these can be done super easily with Zen Business. I'm going to be leaving the links in the description below. You can go there and easily check them out. But for now, we're going to discuss in detail the 5 important steps that you must cover when you're forming your LLC in North Dakota. The first step to starting off your LLC is choosing your business name. Now, before you name your business, you must know that the name should be easy to remember, should be available in the state, and should follow the LLC naming guidelines. You can find the naming guidelines at llcbuddy.com. Now, the 4 key things that you need to be aware of when you start to name your LLC is number 1, your business name should be available and no other existing business can have that name in North Dakota. Number 2 is that limited liability company or LLC should be there as a suffix in the company name. Number 3 is that you cannot use any name for your business, which could be confusing or misleading. So terms like FBI, State Department, CIA, they should not be included. Number 4 is that terms like bank, university, attorney, doctor, they can be added, but only after the additional requirements by the North Dakota state government are fulfilled. Now, suppose you don't want to file your LLC right now, but you want to hold on to the name you decided. Then you can reserve your LLC name for a year. Now, how do you keep the name? All you have to do is file a name reservation application and pay $10. The second and highly vital step to forming your LLC in North Dakota is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that's going to act and work on your LLC's behalf. They're going to receive all the important paperwork and all the official government correspondence within North Dakota. This is why you need a competent registered agent for your LLC. You need to make sure that your registered agent is a resident of North Dakota or at least has a physical street address over there. Their business address is going to be used as the LLC's principal address within North Dakota. Now, most LLC formation companies do also provide registered agent services, such as Zen Business. Now, Zen Business provides a registered agent service as an add-on to your formation package, but you can purchase it as a standalone service. A key thing to note when you're getting a registered agent is the importance of having a legit one, because in case of any lawsuit or if you happen to get sued, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate veil. Now, most people believe they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes. The real reason for setting up your LLC is to limit your liability. Basically, what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they cannot go after your personal assets. So when you're sued, the attorney who's the one suing you is going to start looking for little cracks in your LLC, and this is where they pierce the corporate veil. The first thing they're going to check is, do you have a registered agent? Is the agent legit? And have they been filing the paperwork? The third and another important step in forming an LLC is to file your certificate of formation. The North Dakota Articles of Organization is a legal document needed to officially register your business with the Secretary of State. It's going to cost you $135 to file your certificate of formation within North Dakota. The certificate of formation includes details like the name of your LLC, your registered agent's name, address, employee details, and the structure of your company. Are you member managed or are you manager managed? So before you start hiring employees in North Dakota, you should really know about the rules and regulations thoroughly so you can avoid any future issues. We personally suggest you use Zen Business to file your certificate of formation because they provide an easier way to fill out the forms without any confusion or missing any step. If you happen to get stuck anywhere, they have a great customer support service where you can go ask your questions and they will respond to you. Fourth step is filing your operating agreement. What is that? An operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and the operating procedures of your LLC. This document is vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding how they operate, their voting power, business dissolutions, and a lot more. This helps reduce future conflicts. So when it comes to filing the North Dakota LLC operating agreement, the state doesn't really want you to have a very comprehensive operating agreement, but it is ideal to have one that contains the details of your business operation. Now, this is for your own benefit. It's recommended that it should be done by using a professional service like Zen Business, since they know exactly what to do and you won't have to worry about missing any detail. They provide the service as an add-on to your formation package for a very small fee. The EIN, which is also known as the Employer Identification Number, is a 9-digit number given by the IRS to make it easy to identify the types of businesses for tax purposes. Now, the EIN is necessary when your business is going to start hiring employees. Now, how do you get one? All you have to do is go fill up a form, which you can do online or by mail, and submit it to the IRS. You can also get an EIN through Zen Business, and they can help you out with the whole process. I'll be leaving the links to all the resources in the description below. You can go there, check out which of the options fit your requirements. But for now, I'm going to show you how you can file your forms using Zen Business. Now, this is the main page for Zen Business. You can type up your business name and you can have a search over there and you can start off your LLC. Pick out the state you want to start your business in. Now, they're going to run a name check, see if it's available or not in the first place. Do you have any prior business experience? Let them know if you're going to have any employees as well. Let them know if you want to have any physical location other than your home. So like if you're setting up a shop or you're going to be operating from home. Let them know what stage of business you're at. Let them know what your goals are. Is it a side business, primary income, or is it something new completely? Pick a category. Check if you want to save your progress or not. Now, they're even recommending you get a registered agent, and I really recommend you do. Do you need an EIN and business documents? Like I said in the video, you really should go through that rather than going to the IRS website and possibly making any mistake that could cost you your filing entirely. This is where they're going to tell you all of their packages. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. This is going to break it down for you. The Pro plan is going to cost you $199 per year. It has its advantages. You can go through the full package detail as well. Zen Business Money Pro is an added feature which helps you manage your money and finances all in one place. Check if you want to get the expedited or rush filing. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it. If you're not and you can wait a couple of days, I recommend you do that. They also offer online tools like your custom website, domain name, privacy, email address. So if you're looking for that, you can add that on as well. Check if you want a customized operating agreement. Like I said earlier, it's better if you have one. Select if you want annual verified compliance. It's really up to you. It's basically them handling your annual taxes. Fill out your information here that they require, name and suffix, whatever they need, email and number. Review your order, see if you have anything you want to check or if you want to include anything or take away anything, and then you can just continue to payment, and that's all you need to set up your LLC with Zen Business. Now that you've created your North Dakota LLC, there's still a few things you're going to need. You need a company business bank account and a business credit card. You need to file the North Dakota business permits and licenses. You need to get general liability insurance and professional liability insurance, which covers your employees. You need to file the North Dakota annual report every year. I really hope this detailed video helped you out on how to start off your LLC in North Dakota. And I wish you the best of luck if you're starting off your business there. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the little notification button. Thank you for watching.